Unboxing. This is my LL Skin Labs body serum, and it's all pretty packed. Just gonna open it up, see what we got. Oh, little personal message. Love it. Okay. It's got a pump. There's one and two. Okay, so this one is Citrus Sunshine. I love that one. That's my favorite. And I am trying out, need my glasses, Vanilla Bliss. So I have my beautiful shower finish body serum. This is my third order. Got the first one, tried it, loved it. Worked my way through the second, on the third, and I can't wait to try the new scent.